All right, there's a question saying here, the origin O, B, which is minus 6 comma 9, and C, which is 12 comma minus 3, are the vertices of a triangle OBC. So you can see in the figure that I have tried to draw is there is a x-axis, this is the y-axis, and this is the origin. So one of the vertices of the triangle, right, is the origin here. You can see this is the origin. Fine. Another vertex is this one, another vertex is this one here, right? And they are given here in it. So point P divides OB in the ratio of 1:2. There's a point P which is on OB, right? Divides in the ratio of 1:2. This is also given to you, 1 and this is 2. That is OP is 1 and PB is 2. Same way OQ is 2, QC is also given 1:2 in it. Find the coordinate of the point P and Q. So we have to find this and we have to find this. So we have to find the coordinate of P here and coordinate of Q here. I also show that PQ is 1/3 times BC. This length of PQ is 1/3 of the length of BC we have to show. So first let's find P here. So they have given very easily here, everything is given, that this is the coordinate of B is given, coordinate of O is given, and the ratio is given 2:1, so we can easily find it. Let it be X and let it be Y, we can find it out. So we have a formula for that. What is the formula? That is X is equal to M1 X2 plus M2 X1 upon M1 plus M2. So let this be M1 and this be X1 and this be X2, sorry, Y1, and this is X2 and Y2 here. So using this we can use the formula. So what will happen in it? That is 2 into 0 plus 1 into minus 6 upon 1 plus 2. So this will give you how much? 0 plus and minus, it will become minus here, minus 6 upon 3. So X is equal to minus 6 upon 3. So X is equal to minus 2. So we have got as this as minus 2. Now we have to find Y also. Same way we can find Y. So this is now got it. Now Y here will be Y is equal to M1 Y2 plus M2 Y1 upon M1 plus M2. So Y is equal to M1 is how much? 2, Y2 is 0 plus 1, this is 1 into 9 upon 1 plus 2. So this will give you further how much? 0 into 2 is 0 only. So Y here will be equal to 0 plus 9. Remember 9 is positive upon 3. So that gives you how much? 3 only. So Y is 3. This is 3. So we got the coordinate of this one. Okay. Similar way we have to find the coordinate of the other number, so the other side, which is Q in it. In order to find it out, same method. So how to do this? Let's see. Again, let it be say x3 y3, whatever you can take it as. So use the formula. X will be in this case as what? X is let this is already x2 y2, let it be x1 y1. Just to understand here, in fact in exam you have to mention x3 y3, right? Otherwise there will be a problem, right? Just to make it simple we are taking in this manner. Similar way we can find, you can take it as x3 x2 x, this will become x2 x y2 and this will become x1 x3 will be what? 1 into, if I take 1, it will be 1 into minus 3, sorry, 1 into 12. So 1 into 12 plus 2 into 0 upon 1 plus 2. So that will give you how much? That will give you 12 plus 0 upon 3. So x we have got it as 4. So here it is 4. Now if I find the y, so y will be y is equal to 1 into minus 3 plus 0 into, sorry, 2 into 0, right? 2 into 0, so that will upon 1 plus 2, so that will give you how much? Minus 3 upon 3, so y here will be minus 1, so this is minus 1. We got it, got the point here. So we have got the coordinate of x, this one p as minus 2 comma 3, another is 4 comma minus 1. So first question, first part that we have got. Now we have to show that PQ is 1/3 of BC. In that case you have to use distance formula. You must be knowing the formula for distance. You can find the length PQ, find the length BC, and compare the two, you will get the answer. So let's find it out here. So PQ here, PQ will be what? The length PQ. So length PQ here is what? PQ length is equal to, we have a formula, under root of x2 square x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. This is the formula for length. Considering that this is x1, considering the coordinate of p as x1, right, y1, and this as x2 and y2 here. So you can find the distance. So it will be, what is x2 in this case? X2 is 4 minus, what is that? Minus 2, fine, the whole square, plus what is y2? Y2 is minus 1 and minus 3, y1 is 3, the whole square, and the whole thing under root here. If I do that, solve it here, what do we get? It will be 4 minus and minus will become plus 2 the whole square plus minus 1 and minus 3 the whole square. So this will give you 6 square and plus minus 4 square the whole square. 6 square is 36 and minus 4 the whole square is 16 plus 16. So it will give you, so PQ is 42, no 52, right? 12 plus 1 5, 52. So if you take it here 52, so it 52 under root, which is equal to 13 into 4 under root. So finally it will come out as 4 will come out as 2, so 2 root 13. Okay. So this is PQ, remember this part. Now we have to solve for the other one, which is, we have got PQ is 2 root 13. This entire length is 2 root 13 now. Now we have to solve for what? The other one, BC. So how to solve BC here in it? BC would be 12 x2 minus x1 the whole square, 12 minus minus 6 whole square plus minus 3 minus 9 the whole square, everything under root here. So BC here will be 12 plus 6 18 square minus, sorry, plus 9 plus 3 12 minus 12 whole square. This is minus 12, remember, minus here, and everything under root here. So this will give you how much? 18 square is how much? If you multiply 18 with 18, how much you get? So 18, okay, well, you need to, all of you need to like memorize the square of all these numbers up to 30. So 18 into 18 will give you 324, and minus square is plus only, 12 square is 144 under root. So if I add 144 to it, that will give you 468. So which will be BC is under root of 468. Now 468 can be factorized so that we can have something coming out of it. Okay, how to factorize it? Let's see. 468, all of you have to do in this manner. 2 2 3 4 2 1 and then 1 7, and it will go by 3. So this will be 3 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, and 3 again 13. So we can see 2 into 2 into 3 into 3, so we can say 2 square 3 square into 13 under root. So 2 square will come out and 3 square will come out, so 2 and 3, so 6 root 13. So this is the BC in it. So what is BC? 6 root 13, and what is this one? 2 root 13. Fine, 2 root 13 in it. So what is a comparison? Let's find PQ upon BC. So PQ is how much? 2 root 13, and BC is 6 root 13. What cancel? So what do we get? PQ upon BC is equal to, this will also get cancelled 3 times, so 1 upon 3. So which means the supposed to be proved as 1 upon 3 BC, right? So what will happen here? We can say PQ is equal to 1/3 of BC, and this is hence proved here, right? Hence proved. So this is how we have to solve it, because I have to show you everything doing in the same small space. So right, the order of writing could be different, but you need to go through that part, and hope you have understood how to solve it.